Hey love, welcome and thanks for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with a central twist for branding and business. And today we are going to learn how to create a business card smart mock-up. That was a mouthful. So if you're ready to get started, then continue watching. So here we are inside my go-to editing platform, Canva. However, there are a number of editing platforms out there. You just gotta find the best one that works for you. However, the reason why I love Canva so much is because they're one, super user-friendly, two, very easy to navigate, and three, Canva gives you a ton of access to images, videos, and other premium content, even with just the free plan. So once you have logged into your Canva account, your Canva dashboard will pull up just like this. And we are actually going to use a concept design that I came up with a few months ago for a potential coffee company or coffee shop. And it's right over here. And she is called Bad and Bougie Brew. And she is definitely bougie AF. And I just love this whole concept right here. So if I want to see what this is going to look like on a potential business card, this is where the smart mockups would come into play. Now, if you are a creative addict or a content nerd like me, you know how vital yet fun it is to see what your design will look like on a potential product like your business card or any other merchandise that your potential buyers will purchase from you. So you know how important it is to visually see that physically, right? However, when it comes to creating smart mockups, sometimes there's other platforms. For example, there's a platform that I used like a while ago, and I just wanted to see what it would look like. And I remember just to access the one smart mockup design, I had to pay for the one design. What's cool about Canva is the smart mockups feature is embedded in the platform completely free. Now, like I said, if you are a content addict or a content creative nerd like me, you know how vital it is to have that access, right? Because you might want to see a number of different smart mockups before you ship it off to have it be printed, right? So the fact that this is embedded in the platform completely free. Now, I will say that there are some smart mockup designs that are only included in the Canva Pro plan, but the fact that the feature is embedded in this platform completely free is just so dope. So once you have your design ready to go, what you're going to do is you're going to click or highlight your design, and then you're going to come up here to the top of the left hand corner of your toolbar, and you're going to select the edit image option. Okay, so right here we have the smart mockups option, which we're going to use, and you're going to click on that bad boy just like that. All right, so we have a number of different smart mockups to choose from. Okay, so we're going to scroll all the way down to business card smart mockups, and we have some up here. But once you found the smart mockups the smart mockup to your liking, you're going to select that one. So we're going to select business card number 5, and we'll give that a chance to populate. All right, and we're going to select apply. Okay. And then if you want to make any other necessary adjustments, you can right over here in this section. All right, so let's go ahead and see. This looks like a little bit bigger. All right. So that is my smart mockup for a potential business card with the design that I already have. And then once you're satisfied, you can, we don't want to do that. That's down just a little too much. Once you are satisfied, you can come up here to the top of the right-hand corner and select the share button, and then download it, and then use it and share it to your website or to your social media, or just have it in your folder somewhere, or just keep it on your Canva to use for later. And then if you want to use it, you can go ahead and print it later straight from your Canva platform. And this is where you would come to print your design. Okay, so that is it on how to create a business card smart mockup. So if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, be sure to click the link below, get started with Canva right now, and create your business card smart mockup today. Thank you so much again for tapping in. And remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video.